Leslie with Everything 360. How are you?
Great, I'm Kia.
Nice to meet you.
How long does one typically go into the infrared sauna? So you begin to see the benefits in about 15 minutes. It's not recommended to stay longer than an hour, so we make our sessions 30 minutes.
Okay, great. And then you guys also have something that's really unique, which is a CBD massage.
Yes, so what's cool is there are other places that do CBD massage. The difference with ours is it's not like you're just taking a tub of cream and putting it on someone's body. We've actually created a system of 5 steps that give you about 250 milligrams that you're interacting with topically throughout the session. So we begin with a tincture. We have a roll-on that's meant for joints, for the neck pain, for headaches. We move to a salve, which is meant for deep tissue, muscular pain. Then we go in with a cream, like a nice oil-based lotion almost. And then that's applied topically on the body as a whole. And that's really meant to help your sensory nervous system for any just chronic aches and pains. And CB2 is what helps your body to repair, to relax, and to actually relieve pain, right? It actually helps your brain to calm down the response to the pain receptors. So it's effective topically.
And you make the CBD, don't you?
Yes, I do. I make every single product that you'll be experiencing.
Well, guys, I'm really excited because the show is about to start. But you gotta go.
Oh, thank you.
And just so you can see, we actually have some amethyst all
I
around
saw that.
to help detox for you.
Thank you.
Well, I just started my 30-minute infrared therapy before my CBD massage, and there is a really nice heat in here that's not overwhelming and soft music playing. So I think I'm going to take my towel and my robe and this backrest and create a comfortable little place for me to sit for the next 30 minutes. So I can already tell you it has only been maybe 15 minutes and I just feel so relaxed. The heat that is coming out of from behind these panels, it just feels so warm, like a warm hug, you know? And it's really nice that this is a private experience that's just big enough here in the room for me. I can't believe I waited so long to do this. You guys, I am not a sweaty person. In fact, it's like very annoying to my husband that I don't sweat, and I am dripping. I can feel so much sweat, so there's obviously something different going on here as opposed to just like a traditional workout or a traditional sauna, because I am drenched. Alright guys, so I'm going in for my CBD massage and I'll see you guys in 60 minutes. That was fantastic. I feel like I'm floating. So now I'm going to eat my fellow bar, and I'm really excited to tell you guys all about this.
Okay, so Leslie just finished the sauna and CBD massage. So, how do you feel?
I feel like I'm on a cloud. It was probably the most relaxed I have ever been in my life. I still feel right now that I'm dreaming. I feel so incredibly relaxed and de-stressed, and I'm not the type of person who falls asleep during a massage or brings herself to a level of low anxiety very often, and it was very incredible the amount of calmness that I felt that I don't normally feel as a human being. So, and I really thought it was interesting that all of the different steps that CBD is introduced into the whole experience, like putting something, under my tongue first, and then different like lotions and salves that are introduced.
And roll-ons and salves,
Yes.
And everything is formulated specifically to help induce more relaxation, more recovery. Yeah, so I'm so glad that you experienced that. And again, paired with the sauna is really where you get to that.
I recommend it to anyone. Thank you so much for having us here today.
Absolutely.
You guys, Salvation Wellness is right here in downtown Jersey City. They offer more than just the infrared sauna and CBD massage, so please check out their website and see what other therapies that they offer. And come say hi to Kia. Hi guys, well, my experience has come to an end here at Salvation Wellness. I have a goodie bag to go. This is my Bello bar, which is a vegan and gluten-free CBD granola bar. And I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna just continue this experience on out of here.